Hey, good morning. This is Kashif Mughal from Cash Data Consulting LLC. It has been a few weeks. I got a little sick. Stupid allergies. I mean, intelligent allergies, but they're gone mostly, so I'm back. What are we going to talk about today, Cash? Well, how to get more Google reviews. This is probably the most important part of the series that we have been doing on Google Business Profile. It's so important that I have broken down into two parts. Today is 7A, so let's jump into it. Oh, Cash, do I really need to get more reviews on my Google Business Profile? Yes. The answer is yes. Today we're going to be covering, well, this series, like I said, is two parts. We're going to show you 10 different ways to get more reviews on Google Business Profile, part A and part B. But since you asked that question, is it important? Let me kind of show you a couple of things in here. Um, Great article by LocaliQ on 7 ways to get 5-star reviews. And so one of the first things they talk about right in the front is there you go, I highlighted it. 90% of consumers look at Google before visiting or buying a business. I don't know what the other 10% are doing, but if 90% are doing that, yes, you need to work on your reviews. Another one is this article from Review Tool. I'm not sure who they are, but let's check this out. Another reason you need to work on reviews is it says we have summarized Google My Business, which is the old name, ranking factors in the table. Okay, these are your local ranking factors. Most of the searches are done local. If you're sitting in Philly and you want to go get Philly cheesesteak, you're going to look in Philly. You're not going to look in Dallas, Texas, right? So most of the searches are done local. And let's look at this. The number of reviews, it says having more reviews is one of the top review related factors in Google local rankings. There you go. Number of reviews, the importance, this is out of 100, it's 94. And of course, you can read more about this article. We're going to put these links into the description below. I don't want to get off on a tangent, as you know I can. So check those out. If you have any questions, please post them. If you've had success with some other tool using Google Business Profile, please let us know. So back to our discussion. What are we going to do today? All right. Well, first things first, I really want to show you what a perfect Google review and a response. Yes, business owner, you can respond to reviews and you should. What do they look like? Okay, what are the three things? Well, first of all, it needs to describe your amazing product and service because I know you're amazing. Second thing, it really needs to include your main keywords and search terms. I'll show you that in a minute. And then it should contain geo hints like we're a marketing company in Plano. So in our review, somebody who leaves a review for us, I would like to see Plano, Dallas, Richardson, Allen. Okay. So let me jump over to some reviews. I'm going to go into, let me just go into Google Business Profile, which by the way, the easiest way to get there is business.google.com. If you can find your uh, listing, we do not have 30 businesses, but we manage a lot of these clients. So thank you so much. But let's go down to Cash Data Consulting. This is our listing. That is my awesome team. So if I go to reviews, which by the way, you can click on this right here. Um, this is something actually, this is a person, Bill, who found us through one of the YouTube videos. So YouTube works. Now, what did he say? Let me repeat that. Had a great experience. Cash helped me with optimizing Google Business Profile. What we're talking about, and easy to work with. I recommend his expertise. Blah blah blah. He's a rock star. Well, I always wanted to be a rock star, but I ended up doing IT. All right. So that was his review. Great. Why? Well, he put the key term. Obviously, easy to work with and all of that stuff. But what did I do? I responded. I said, "Thank you, William, for your kind words. Always wanted to be a rock star. I guess I can settle as a digital rock star. Our search marketing company." So there you go, right? What did I just do there? You gotta put the keywords in here. But we're not just any agency. We are in Plano, right here. It talks about that, and work with Texas businesses. Okay, so that's what you want to do. You want to ask people to review, but you want to ask them to put some of the other items. Okay, let me go to another company that we work with. Erica out in Sudbury, amazing estate planning attorney. Let me go to her reviews and let's find one that's great. She has a lot of reviews. So let me see. Just kind of looking at these reviews real quick. All right, there you go. Michael Larry, from I forgot what movie was that? Bad Boys. So what does Michael say? Great experience, lots of information. He talks about legal, estate planning, right? You can see that. Um, what else is he doing here? It's a great review. It doesn't need to be that long. It could be a couple of words. But what I liked about Erica here is she said, "Thank you for amazing review. We're so happy we could work with you. But I want you to focus here, right here, estate planning in Sudbury, Massachusetts." Okay, let me show you something real quick here. If I go to Google and always test this without signing in, estate planning Sudbury, Massachusetts, you know, boom, she is right number one for that term. And if you scroll down, she's actually one. Sometimes she's one, sometimes she's number two. This shit really works. Sorry for my French. So those are the good examples. Let me go back to this because I want to keep this tracking. Now, before I discuss this, like I showed you some reviews already. Gilbert Moving and Storage, we'll come back to that. All right, so let's jump into it. What are the 5 easy ways to get reviews? First, you got to log into business.google.com. I showed you that already. The first method is what? Ask. Remember that expression, ask and you shall receive? You really, really need to ask people, okay? Now, how do you do that? So let me show you. I kind of skipped over that, but let me go back to, let me show you Gilbert Moving and Storage because I didn't get a chance to do that. But imagine if this is your business. How do you get that link? 2 ways you can do that. Right here in the middle where it says ask for reviews, or you can click on reviews right here. So if I click on this one, which is amazing, when we started working with them, they had less than 200 reviews. All right, see this right here? Get more reviews. You click on that, it gives you this nice little link. You copy this right here. You can highlight it. You can actually change it even, but you copy it. Okay. You go to another browser, or you can email, and we'll discuss more strategies next time. Also, you pop that link into a browser. What I love about this is, oops, let me do this when I'm actually logged into, because I'm not logged into Microsoft Edge. What I love about this is it takes you to the listing, but it takes you to their actual page. It says Gilbert Moving and Storage. I'm responding as cash money, and now of course I can do my thing. Blah blah blah. I'm not going to do that, but easiest thing to do. Okay. Um, that's how you want to do that, but definitely start asking people, what's another way to get a review? This is super complex. You ready? Place the link on your website. Okay, so let me find one of our clients. Uh, they rank very high, so let me just search for that pediatric dentist near Allen, which is next to Plano. Okay, so if I do that, and they're number 2 right here, and they're always, like I said, on the top 3 listings. Here's their website. Okay, here's their main page, kidspediatricdentistry.com. What did they do? One of their link up here, social media links, it says G plus. This is from back in the day when Google was doing Google Local. Look at that. It takes you straight to their listing. Keep it simple for your clients. Okay. Now, if I was a kid or a parent, I could simply go write a review here. Okay. I'm not going to do that. So that's the second idea. What's the third idea? Social media links. Okay. There's really 2 ways you can do this on Facebook. So let me go back here. I think I have these up and running. I don't know this company. This is cool, actually. Dries Agency up in Hill Country, Texas. What did they do? In fact, they did it recently, yesterday, actually. So I'm going to read it. Thank you for 5-star review. Leave us a Google review today. Okay. They made it super simple. I don't know them, but if I did, I could click on this link and boom, it takes you to their page. Second idea I have is um, what was I going to do that? I was going to let me search for North Texas allergy. This is one of our clients. Okay. What did they do? This is totally fine. You could take a Google business profile review, make a infographic. And if you don't know, we can help you with that. This is an infographic. They grab this from this from Google. They put it on Facebook, and there you go. Thank you to our patients. Blah blah blah. Okay. Because not everybody's going to be on maps, not everybody's going to be searching for you, but maybe they're on Facebook. Okay, so definitely do that. I'm going to also like this, just give them a little thumbs up. So that's the second sorry, that's the third way you can do that. What's the fourth method? Just be awesome like Mr. Cash. No, I'm not awesome, but you know, it really, being serious, if you do a good job with your product or services, whatever you do, I don't know, you sell widgets, um, you know, people are going to appreciate that if you go above and beyond, if you listen to them, pay attention, get them a solution. People want a solution at the end of the day. If you're a solution focused business and you do a good job, they will leave a review. I mean, that's just how it works. And then the last suggestion I had today is encourage associates. Okay, so use GMS as an example. So what is GMS? That is Gilbert Moving and Storage. Okay, so like I said, they're a great company out in Gilbert, Arizona. If you are moving in that area, say Cash sent you. What did they do? So let me go to their website. In fact, maybe I can show this way better. Like I said, it's a great company. They have a lot of people working for them. What did they do about 6 months ago when we were working with them? They started a marketing plan with their associates, sort of like made a competition. Who gets the most reviews, who gets the most Yelp list. I mean review, who gets listed on Angie's website. Okay, so it's a little competition which encourages the associates to work harder, and it was tied to their bonus. I mean, I don't know, Christmas bonus, year-end bonus, whatever. So there's nothing wrong with a little competition. I mean, people generally want to help you, but if you put throws some dollars at it, people are definitely going to want to help you. Now, last thing I want to mention is there are some links that I wanted to highlight related to this video. Um, this is one from Google itself. So it says get Google reviews, and you want to look at the best practices. Here's the list. Okay, here's what you do, and they talk about different strategies. There's also a couple of other websites. I'm going to mention this one. I think I already mentioned LocaliQ, and they're going to be down in the description, so check them out. Another one that I like is this one. This is 18 different ways to get more Google reviews through Hatch. And I think that's pretty much a wrap up. Last thing, of course, marketing our company. We're based in Plano, which is north of Dallas. We've been doing this for 15 years. Hard to believe, very profitable since the day one. We can do SEO, we can do Google Ads, we can do social media, we can help you with YouTube. We can obviously help you with your Google business profile. Here's our contact information. And the last thing I'll mention is we are offering a 50% discount on Google Business Profile. Use the code GBP50 when you contact us, and one of our associates will get back to you. Have an awesome day. We'll talk to you later.